Should sound.
Nice, isn't it?
I can't do that.
Nick can't rev it if he off up the fucking road.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Now that's this. Now this bike is half a ton.
Right, we're all pulled
Now
up.
you've finished your flappage.
Oh, it would
You got
be
your
the same
cameras
as
on,
I'm fucking fat.
Is my rear one flashing red?
I don't know. I can't see it from here.
Oh,
I can't
yeah.
see nothing without my glasses.
You don't want to see Nige flashing from the rear.
Yeah.
He was flashing last night.
Right, we ready?
He can't help
Silly
himself.
when you get home. Are you bringing up the rear, Steve?
Oh, yes.
Just as you like it.
Yeah. I'll go off the drop curb because I haven't got an adventure bike. I think we're going to have a beautiful day today.
It looks nice.
I think it's going to be a noisy fucker.
It was lovely riding yesterday, but my tyres about it's got tread on it, but it's starting to flatten out. It's already done Spain and Portugal and the Picos, and it's a bit naff now. But I figure I'll get this one tore out of it before I put the other one on. Was one
Well, how long did it take you to get down here yesterday?
we come down the M25, M3, and then we got off just by Southampton, and then come from Poole and went over on the little chain boat, and for about 3.5 hours, I suppose.
They went over the chain
not bad,
ferry,
is it?
Steve.
That's it, yeah.
And he also did them M words, didn't he?
Yeah, don't know. Yeah, we don't mention
Unfortunately,
them.
if I'd have gone non-motorway, I'd have still had to deal with Oxford and Reading and all the horrible places you don't want to be riding through anyway.
Yeah.
So we've done an hour and a half on the motorway, then we had 2 hours on non-motorway through twists, through the New Forest, etc.
Go through Oxford, fucking Inspector Morse will leap out at you.
Yeah, with vampires, it's garlic and sunlight. With Nige, it's motorways and soaked potatoes.
And walking.
Yeah, we don't want none of that shit.
No. That A34 is like a bloody car park sometimes coming down to Oxford.
Yeah, no, it's not a pleasant run. And as you can see, she's quite wide, so filtering is a bit of a pain in the arse as well.
Fucking hell, Shoei, how'd you put up with him on about fucking...
I was going to say he was talking about me then.
I'm not worried about the
fucking
panniers. I'm not worried about the panniers. I have to get her full of cheek in.
Here, I tell you what, that pub was alright though, wasn't it?
It was, yeah.
I can't believe how cheap the fucking food was.
Well, no, what's for you? I've had to re-fucking mortgage. I turned around and said, am I paying for every fucker's table? He just looked at me.
Oh, Jesus.
I'm saying, can I pay now before he has another fucking course?
Of course they said, oh, do you want a sweet? And because I said, I'd already said to my missus, I'll get tonight. I thought, yeah, I'll have a sweet as well.
She flew past with this tray of fucking sweets and he put his hand out and take the tray. do you know how much that was in here?
No.
£131.
What's that? What's that?
Not bad
And
for
I don't think that's bad for 4 people
No, because
with
that's
drinks.
drinks as well, wasn't it?
Yeah, 4 people with drinks. I didn't think that was too bad, and the food was really nice. They were friendly.
Yeah.
So
like
the
I
food
said,
came out pretty quick.
I'll get you a bag of crisps each a day.
Oh, that's all right. I said to Michelle, I said if Nigel's paying today, I'm having a fucking buffet. I want everything. I want cream teas,
If it's
sandwiches.
if it's fucking bag of crisps where me and Steve fucking bought a packet, Jesus. I said two bags of crisps. She said £4. I nearly punched her in the fucking face.
Lucky you didn't have to get around the Cokes as well, Nige.
Yeah, 22 quid for 4 Cokes, wasn't it? No, 6, wasn't it?
It was 6 Cokes, to be fair.
That's ridiculous, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just as dear as beer, eh?
That's robbery, innit? That's
Was he wearing like a mask and had a horse tied up outside?
Yeah, that's what I said to him. At least Dick Turpin had the fucking decency to wear a mask. Nod.
Hey, Nige, can you see me lights?
I just
blind
fucking...
him.
Look at that, that's bloody brilliant, isn't it? And that's good, the camera will get that
See-
as well.
See, behind us, Nick and Stephen realised that I got the same bike with the same light setup. I spent money on mine, so you can see what mine are doing. I indicate. You can see my indicator.
Look at that, that's a novelty.
Yeah, but I spend it in yen.
I did show Nige what he had to buy to sort them out.
Yeah, but that means spending proper money.
Well, it's
See,
going to scare him a little bit.
Look at
It's
that.
cheaper than the mill.
See that indicator blended in with the fucking brake light.
That's exactly why 3 weeks after buying this bike, I went out and bought the Wiser Tech Wizard that sorts
Yeah.
mine out.
Yeah,
and then I had the
the
then I had the B6 put on.
That's right, Nigel, be straight out on T-Mood, find that version.
yeah. The T-Move version.
He was on it last night.
We're hanging a left here.
His phone wouldn't connect to the internet because it was constantly looking for the T-Move Wi-Fi.
I was getting withdrawal symptoms, wasn't I?
Cyclists have got no hands.
Now, see, this is the way we came last night, but obviously Van here on the right. Stay there, wench. She ain't even looked this way yet.
We did come this way last night. We're just about
Right.
got the seatbelt hanging by this point.
Yeah. Ding, ding.
What he didn't tell you, the rear seats in his
Look
car
at this.
are
Look at this
T-Moves.
place.
You should get rid of that GS and buy an open-top bus. Nigel's tours.
There you go, in there, look. In there on the right.
Indicator, Steve.
Too busy listening to bloody Nigel again, aren't I?
I'm sure you'll notice today that when we fucking go down the road, you'll think, well, the map said turn left there.
I'm always doing it.
Started already.
When I take a group away, if we have to turn round, I just tell them I'm counting bikes to make sure we're all together. When really
Yeah.
you've completely fucked up and missed everything.
Just mine, they do fucking fly round this bend coming down that hill. Yeah, you're clear.
That's right, Steve, we've got two BMWs as buffers in front, so...
That's all right.
Well, I can say from experience that BMWs crash very well.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, didn't they just?
Oh, black lines matter.
You haven't guessed already, Andy, that's a warning sign.
Well, if you know the roads,
Yeah. That's a nice gaff down in there, but he has to have his TV aerial up there. That's for sale if you want that one, and on the left.
oh, is it? I'll buy it as a weekend home, you know. I'll just save up again because I wait for dinner. When we come through, when you get off off that boat through Cathcart, there's some money out there, isn't there?
Oh,
Jesus,
fuck me, yeah.
some of them houses.
Well, Harry Redknapp has got, you know, the football manager.
Yeah, that's
On
all
the-
had the place on Sandbanks.
Yeah, well, that's the other side where you got on the ferry.
Oh, okay,
That's
yeah,
where
yeah,
that's
yeah, yeah.
Sandbanks.
Yeah.
So all of those along the edge are fucking just bonkers money.
Yeah.
All that money for something that's going to sink into the sea soon.
No, I know, it is sinking eventually, isn't it?
Well, that's the idea. You buy it as an investment, then you claim off your insurance. That's what about it.
Hopefully we can have this one down the straight after the bend. Have you selected pursuit mode, Nicholas?
I'm just debating it.
Pursuit mode. Would you like to take some ballast so I can pursue?
Oi! Picking on me.
Well, I'll try.
Nice and clear. Still clear. Still clear. What about the sofa and recliner? Are you past?
Yeah, I got past 10 minutes ago.
He's Rocket Man!
That's Maiden Castle up there, so that's largest hill fort in
That's-
Europe, isn't it?
That's what?
Stone in
No.
the middle there.
No, it's not.
Is it not?
Ham Hill is larger.
Oh,
Is it?
Yeah.
well, it fucking would be, wouldn't it? It's in Somerset. Wankers. Shit in the middle.
Sounds like your underpants, Nige.
Your roads are better than ours.
Split out the sides.
We pulled the potholes. I'm pretty sure I was trying to land fucking aircraft.
Oh, get it time. You wait till we hit fucking Somerset.
Yeah, we like it rough.
See, Nick's a deserter.
Did you know that all pigeons fly upside down in Somerset?
Oh, no, little sparrow chasing a pigeon.
It's true.
Look, Steve.
All the pigeons fly upside down because it's fuck all worth shitting on.
Yeah, right. Oh, that's a good night, that is.
Yeah, love it.
I'm still laughing about what you said last night when your boss pulled you in and said, this ain't.
Yeah, I know. It's when I said to him, I said, well, if he didn't get the reg and the number, how'd you know it was me? Let me read the first paragraph. You wanker.
This is like the Cotswolds.
It's lovely, isn't it?
Very Cotswoldy. If you go out to Burton on the wall, it's a lovely ride out.
Fucking crow's
Yeah,
nest.
but it's
Well,
nice.
look.
This is that pub we went in last night. Yeah, very nice that was.
Yeah, look at that Ferrari they just bought outside.
You're welcome.
Do you know what I've done? I've missed the
what again?
turn. I did miss the turn. See, gas bagging again.
Are you sure? Because I'm still on the line.
I'm just
If is it pink or is it blue?
It's
Is
blue.
it a
shit. Shit, always in the line, you're wrong.
Do you know what? I knew we'd end up on two different routes.
What's the purple route? Because I'm showing another line off to the right here on this.
I think that's the green lane.
That's a green lane up there, look.
Oh, I ain't doing that.
We're going to have funny roads like this today, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't want none of them dual carriageways, main A roads if we can help it.
Oh, there's
Some
some
we
I'm
have.
going home.
Dorset doesn't own a motorway.
Of course
Yeah.
it does.
No, we don't have a motorway, do we?
Fucking
Not
carrot
in Dorset,
crunches. You can't have any donkeys on a fucking motorway.
The tractors are not allowed on it. You see the odd Honda Jazz.
I see my Steger is saying here, turn round and go back, but then I've got the blue line
See,
carrying on after it.
In my settings, I selected auto sort of skip it if you go off slightly and it will just pick it up again.
Yeah.
You must have a different route, Nige.
He's probably doing the Exeter ride and not.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll see you later.
Well, I'm following Nige because that massive fucking king-size buffet's on him.
Look at the old
give
sandbags that
I'll
tells
give
the
him
tale.
fucking starter and pudding, the fucker.
Oh, sale agreed.
Well, hello. Yeah, how much is that going to cost to do? I bet it's listed.
Yeah.
I bet because of this little stream, their insurance is through the roof.
Yeah, I'll bet.
Andy, for washing your bike, though, Steve. Park it in the street.
It is. I want to
Hey,
look it
right.
out for a little Ford.
Yeah.
Aye.
Right, this thing don't like hill starts, I'm just saying. If I can't get straight up on that flat bit, I can't get up. Because this will not like that hill at all with this weight on the bike.
No.
So I need to get up onto that flat or we're going to struggle.
That's twice now, Shell.
I tell you what, I don't know what it is, but something takes all the power away. I've had a lot of it mapped out, but I don't know what these cyclists are frigging doing either.
No, I don't know what they do either.
Can I get up on the straight there, Nige?
Just
Pretty
going to
much,
get up
yeah.
on top of the hill.
It's a slight incline, but they're bastards.
Please don't
'cause they-
sprain my ankle again.
Yeah, the hill start is completely useless on them with weight on this.
With the weight, yeah.
Absolutely, because you put the power in and the hill start takes it all away.
See, they got their average speed cameras there now, look.
Yeah, bastards.
They're going in all over the country, and all the 60s are now turning into 50s.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on, you fucker. Up here and left. Yeah, that woman's got clip-ons on her pedals, so she was worrying about having a bloody...
I thought, with you up there and them 3 cycles, I thought, I'm not risking it. I'm going to sit at the bottom and watch the calamity as all 4 of you roll down the hill.
What was that? What was that song? Fat bottom girls, you make the rocky world go round.
Effort needed. What she should have on her arse.
Lovely bit of Queen. I love Queen.
Everyone's going to be out enjoying this. Weymouth front was quite busy yesterday. I was surprised.
Yeah, flip-flops, shorts, and that's just on the motorbikes.
There was a woman on the beach in a bikini, and I thought, okay, well, I'll get the sun's out, but it ain't that friggin' warm.
And somebody shouting, "There she blows!"